Today we are going to be unboxing a keyboard and installing it on this Toshiba laptop. Okie dokie. Let's get her started. Okay, we're going to unpack it first. Give me my scissors and make this shit easy. Oh, and I was on YouTube the other day, and I noticed that they got a new YouTube 1 channel. So I'm going to be completely redoing my channel. So expect to see some changes. And there it is, the Toshiba keyboard. Got a little damaged. I think I can fix it though. Must have got dropped when the fucking post office people must have handled it. I'll inspect the rest of it. This button's broke too. Oh well. Oh well, that's what you get for sending shit through the postal service. Should have requested UPS or something. I'll have to see if I can fix it. See, the corners are bent, see? That one on that one, and this key's coming off. So it looks like it's just the metal that's bent. We didn't get the circuit board. So I'm gonna try to fix it real quick, and hopefully I can. And I didn't get the circuit board. It is kind of a little bent though. Oh, shit. There we go. Best I can do. I just gotta figure out how to put the key back on it now. This is going to take a little bit longer than what I thought, but I'm going to be pissed that this does not work. There we go. That one's been fixed. Now time to fix the other side. Hold on. Okay. The dogs just started howling for some unexplained reason. Anyways, I fixed this side now. They're still barking, but at least they're not howling anymore. Okie dokie. The other corners look fine. Guessing the shift key is stuck on this side, and this side don't work. Number 1 don't work, and a couple letters don't work, so this keyboard's shot. So what we're gonna do, and I've done this before, is we're gonna pop this off the center. I can't have that happening. Before you do a keyboard replacement, always remove the battery. Especially if you got computer power button is in close proximity of. Can't have it turning on while I'm trying to do this. That's all. Don't need these anymore. Yeah, that's too big. Fuck. A smaller bit. Don't ever buy the cheap Chinese magnetic screwdrivers. The magnetic parts aren't that strong, and plus they wear off. Pull this out. My nails ain't that sharp right now, so I gotta use a screwdriver. There we go. Pull the ribbon out. This one's offset just a little bit. I think he may have sent me the wrong keyboard. Fuck it, I can make it work. Fuck it, I can make it work. Let's hope this keyboard works, because the ribbon's offset just a little bit. So, not a direct fit, but that was only $13, so okie dokie. Just put the screws back in. Ah. I'll use a screwdriver for the rest of them. Well, let's hope this keyboard works. I mean, I don't know if it's going to work or not. Like I said, that ribbon cable is offset, so that's got me concerned now. It's supposed to be a Toshiba Satellite A155. Doesn't got an i3 processor in it. Oh, here we go. Yes, I did go over my 10-minute mark, but anyways, well, this is starting. I got the computers. One Mac has a bad hard drive, the other Mac works. I just gotta figure out how to get Firefox on it. All three monitors work. The two PCs are scrap. And the networking shit's scrap too. Okay, I gotta put her password in. I gotta shine y'all away for a moment. If I can remember it. There we go. Keyboard seems to be working as far as that goes. Come on. Damn, our computer's slow. Oh, maybe the password is wrong. Ah, hold on. I know what I did wrong now. Okay, it should go now. Well, this shift key on the other keyboard was broke, and this one, I tried to put it back on, but it was just too much damage. The other one didn't work. There we go. The other one didn't work, and there's a couple other keys like the 1, 2, 3, and then several letters didn't work. Of course, you don't have notepad on speed dial like I do. Oh. Go away. She's got AVG on here for some strange reason. Go away. She got both AVG and AVAS on here. That's not good. Okay. Okay. Well, it works. I mean, Keyboard works. It just, only downsides to it is it doesn't match the rest of the computer. See how this one's a glossy kind? That's just the regular textured keyboard. Another thing that was the problem is the corners were bent, but that's not the seller's fault. That's the shipper's fault for mishandling of the package. But what is the seller's fault is this cable. See how this one's got an arch here and an arch, or a diagonal here and a diagonal here? Well, this one's just got a diagonal and then the cable is over here, so I had to kind of bend the cable over to get it to. So the cable's in there like that right now. It's all mangled up, but fuck, it works. So I mean, but I'll see y'all in a little bit.